The nutrients we get from food are classified as macronutrients and micronutrients. 1. Macronutrients. Macronutrients are nutrients that provide energy and are needed in large amounts by the body. The three main macronutrients are carbohydrates, the body's primary source of energy. They are found in foods like bread, pasta, rice, fruits, and vegetables. Proteins, important for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and supporting the immune system. Sources include meat, fish, poultry, dairy, legumes, and nuts. Fats. Fats are a concentrated source of energy and are essential for absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, maintaining cell membranes, and providing insulation. Sources include oils, butter, nuts, and avocados. 2. Micronutrients. Micronutrients are nutrients required by the body in smaller amounts, but they are essential for various physiological functions. They include vitamins and minerals. Micronutrients are vital for growth, development, and overall health. Some examples of micronutrients include vitamin C, vitamin D, iron, calcium, and zinc. Benefits to the body. Macronutrients provide the body with energy for daily activities and bodily functions. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, enzymes, hormones, and immune system function. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy and are important for brain function. Fats are important for energy storage, cell function, and the absorption of certain vitamins. Micronutrients are crucial for various physiological functions such as bone health, immune function, and metabolism. A balanced diet that includes an appropriate amount of both macronutrients and micronutrients is essential for maintaining good health and overall well-being.